Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Pay on your iPhone in 2025 step by step. It's quick, simple, and by the end of this video, you will be all set to make payments right from your iPhone. Let's get started. First, head over to the App Store and download the Wallet app. If you don't have already, just search for Apple Wallet app, get and install it like any other app. Once it's installed, open the Wallet app. Now tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new card. Here you will see different options like debit or credit card, transit card, Apple Card and more. To set up Google Pay, choose the debit or credit card option. Next, tap continue. You'll now have two options, scan your card or enter the details manually. Choose enter card details manually. Now type in your credit or debit card number, hit the next. Then enter your verification code and CVC and tap next again to confirm. Once that's done, head over to your iPhone settings. Tap on your Apple ID at the top, then go to payment and shipping. You might be asked to enter your Face ID or password. After that, you'll see your newly added Google Pay card listed right there. And that's it. Your Google Pay card is now ready to use on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.